In some areas, the crypto market is still doing completely fine, but some areas are dealing with lots of panic as stocks are falling and the market seems to be crashing for some coins. So what is going on in the world of crypto right now? Well, stay tuned to today's video as we're going to discuss crypto investors' panic during market bloodbath, I will lose my home, and some other crypto news. First up, we have crypto investors panic during market bloodbath, I will lose my home. It's been a rough few weeks for the overall crypto market as many coins have seen their lowest prices ever after a market crash. Many investors began to panic when Bitcoin happened to plummet to its lowest prices in more than a year. Bitcoin is the leading coin, so it's crazy to see even this coin doing super poorly nowadays. Many victims of this Bitcoin and crypto bloodbath took to social media and traditional media to talk about what was happening. This was from even some billionaires who were annoyed they were losing their money. I lost over $450,000. I cannot pay the bank, reads one of the top posts on the Reddit forum for Terra Luna, a cryptocurrency that has lost more than 99% of its value over the past week. I will lose my home. I'll become homeless. Suicide is the only way out for me. My ex-colleague attempted suicide, reads another top post on the forum. He basically moved all of his savings to crypto in 2021, and Luna was a massive player in his portfolio. The craziest downfall was of course Luna coin, as well as the other cryptos in the market. Some coins were down nearly 60%, and people just weren't happy with it all. Cryptos like Ethereum, who were at the clear top of the market, are now currently worth just fractions of their peak amount. It's a crazy time that we live in. People were living off of crypto and investing their all into it, and now the market is seemingly crashing. This isn't the end of crypto, however. It's just a damaging moment in the history of these coins and their companies. Just last November, the entire cryptocurrency market was worth about $2.9 trillion, and now it's only worth $1.2 trillion, less than half of what it once was. There's a lot of folks out there who have taken some real bruises, said Garrick Heilman, research chief at blockchain.com. In crypto, the strong tokens survive and the weak get flushed. In the past, drops in crypto have been touted online as a buying opportunity, which have juiced prices back up. Now, with the threat of recession looming, it's unclear if investors will buy the dip. Many prominent crypto enthusiasts are now calling Bitcoin worthless after what has happened, and many are feeling their opinions. This crash might look like the end of days for the crypto market, but it's clearly not. The market is still worth a lot of money, and some large companies have their hats in the crypto ring. It's not going anywhere anytime soon. It's just on the decline right now. The market boomed at the perfect opportunity when everyone was at home and wanting to invest some money. Now that things are going back to normal, the market is changing. It's not going to go back to how it once was, but the overall market is still in some good shape, but better than other stock markets right now. Let us know down in the comment section below what you think about all this. Do you have any money in crypto, and did you lose any recently? Let us know your story regarding this current crypto market switch up. And now onto some other crypto information. Next, crypto is slowly changing real-life currencies. Cryptocurrencies are the new way of spending your money. They have become popular recently due to the rise of people using them and the new and interesting ways of getting and using the currency. This new trend in currency could see it replacing normal currencies at some point. It's not too hard to get into cryptocurrencies and only needs a small amount of learning to even understand the concept. At one point, crypto was really only used by rich people and entrepreneurs. For example, someone like Elon Musk. But over time, more and more small cryptocurrencies have shown up, and they are here to make it easier for the general public to get into the system. Yes, you won't be playing in the big leagues like with Bitcoin or Ethereum, but you can still get used to how this new type of currency works and play around with it a little bit. So many people are using crypto right now. They have such easy access to coins with apps like Finance or normal crypto wallet apps. It's really easy to use and invest into them. People are seeing cryptocurrencies as a valuable and usable way of payment and using their money. It's something they see as good, and they really want to keep money in. With this alone, you can really tell that it's going to stay around. Cryptocurrencies aren't going anywhere for the general public. And now, how is crypto redefining the gaming industry? Whilst crypto is the headliner of the world right now, it's really the blockchain that is ushering in all these changes to the things like the gaming industry. So what exactly is it doing for the industry? First of all, it makes the industry much more secure. Because of the blockchain and its power of decentralization, it's basically impossible for people like hackers and viruses to get across a server. This means that games have a much safer atmosphere and means that both entrepreneurs and developers alike can have better performances. There is no server for hackers to get a hold of and destroy, meaning you cannot take it down like a normal game server of something like Call of Duty or Apex Legends. Another aspect of it is that it enhances the ownership of all in-game assets. Blockchain technology can also contribute to in-game asset ownership by bringing more transparency and legislation to the gaming industry. One of the most significant characteristics of blockchain-supported gaming is actually digital ownership, which will enable users to exchange scarce assets and gain profits. Smart contracts are used to handle all transactions in a blockchain-based game. These smart contracts run automatically based on pre-programmed parameters, and transactions are irreversible. As a result, when you launch a blockchain-based game, all in-game assets purchased via smart contracts are automatically transferred to players' public addresses. As well as that, there's no way for others to modify the public address where game assets in the game are held, and no one can replace the ownership of your assets without you knowing. They are the property of the game and the gamer who happens to own them. The final thing that the blockchain does for the gaming industry is that they allow the gamer to have control over their favorite game. One thing people hate is when a game is updated and things they don't like are changed. Whilst this isn't as true for an online game like Apex Legends, it's very true for single-player games like Elden Ring or Bloodborne. With the blockchain, gamers are able to keep and download select versions of the games that they want to play. It's a really cool thing and means that you can play these without risking your gaming experience to do so. What a cool thing! And finally, we have why Meta is looking to the video game industry for metaverse and crypto inspiration. The metaverse is trying to be many things, but the biggest platform it's seemingly taking notes from is none other than Roblox. Roblox has gone from a joke of a platform to becoming its own gaming engine where some insane games have been made and are supported for long periods of time. The hub aspect of Roblox is what the metaverse wants to become, and they're trying to turn their platform into a Roblox-type product. So far, they have created Horizon Worlds, which has hub aspects similar to Roblox and is the closest thing to Roblox that they can get right now. They also have their own VR social space, which is similar to Rec Room, Roblox, and of course VR Chat. They are also monetizing this platform just like Roblox and other platforms, which makes complete sense as it's going to make them lots of money. The best thing that Metaverse can do is either buy Roblox and integrate themselves into the platform to make something that stands out. It's hard for people to grasp the concept of the Metaverse because it's not a simple thing unlike Roblox and other platforms. If they make the entry much easier, then more people are going to grasp into it. The other larger and more important matter is the player base. The reason why Roblox succeeds is because it's targeted towards children and younger adults. And that's our list. Hopefully you enjoyed this latest video. If you did, would you please let us know down in the comments section below? It would be very helpful. Make sure to like this video, comment down below, and of course subscribe to the channel with notifications bell rung. Thank you for watching today's video. Bye!